Welcome to the alphabet adventure. Each letter in the alphabet is more than just a shape or a sound. It's a character with personality, power, and purpose. From the ambitious A to the zippy Z, every letter has its own story to tell, colors to wear, and actions to inspire. In this journey, we'll meet each letter like a friend. We'll see how it stands, what it sounds like, what it reminds us of, and how it helps us speak, spell, and imagine. So get ready to clap, cheer, and celebrate each one. Because the alphabet isn't just letters. It's a world full of wonder, waiting to be read, written, and remembered. Let's begin with our amazing A. A stands tall like a mountain peak, two strong legs joined by a brave bar in the middle. A is a foundational sound. It's the start of phonics. A is a beautiful letter. The A here is read like an apple. The A is hard-working like an ant. A. Make a lot of sound. It makes the A sound in apple, the A sound in ape, and even the A in all. Good work, my awesome. A. B. Bold and balanced. B stands tall with a straight spine and two proud curves like balloons filled with joy. B is a beautiful letter, built strong and round. B is a booming sound, one of the first you bounce out as a baby. B for ball, banana, and book. It's a backbone letter in early learning. The B here is blue like the sky before a storm. The bee is busy like a bee, buzzing through blossoms, building its hive with care and purpose. B. B makes beautiful sounds. The B sound in ball. The B in bat. Good work, my brilliant B. C. Curved and calm. C curves like a crescent moon, open to the world, soft and silent. C is always ready to connect and create. C is a common companion to many words that change the world: cat, cup, and cake. The C is curious like a cat, always watching, wondering, and ready to chase new thoughts. C is cool. C makes creative sounds. Some, the K sound in cat, car, and cup. Others in the C sound like circle and city. Good work, my clever C. D. Determined and distinguished. D stands like a door. D has one strong back and a bold, round belly, like a drum, ready to dance. D is a dependable sound. Deep, direct. You'll hear it in dog and door. D is a letter of doing. The D is determined like a donkey, steady, loyal, and never giving up. D draws a half circle of strength, leaning into its straight back with confidence. D makes daring sounds. The D sound in dog. The strong D in drum, doll, and diamond. D is a voiced sound, made by the tongue tapping the top of the mouth quick and clear. Good work, my daring D. E is energetic and essential. E stands like a strong spine with three brave arms reaching out. E is even and exact, a letter that extends itself. E is one of the most important letters in the alphabet. E is everywhere, doing everything. E is an essential sound, found in almost every sentence, every name, every idea. It shines in words like elephant, egg, eagle, and echo. E brings light to language. E makes exciting sounds. The S sound in elephant, egg, and end. The long E in eagle, evening, and easy. E can be loud or quiet, but it's always there, working hard to shape the words we say. Good work, my excellent E. F F fast and full of fire. F stands tall and firm, with one arm reaching out and another pointing forward. F looks like it's always ready to fly, to fight, to face the world with focus. F is a fabulous sound, strong at the front of so many fierce and fun words. Fish, fire. The F is fast like a fox. F makes fantastic sounds. The FF in fun, fan, and flame. F is fearless and fast. Good work, my fantastic. F. From A to F, we've met letters that are amazing, bold, curious, determined, expressive, and full of flair. Each one had its own story, its own sound, and its own sparkle, just like you. But guess what? We're just getting started. Because the alphabet has more magic to reveal. In the next episode, we'll meet the graceful G, the helpful H, the independent I, and so much more. So get ready to giggle, hop, imagine, and journey on through the ABC world. Stay tuned, stay curious, and stay awesome. Because G to L is coming